Dark web. The dark web often evokes a mix of curiosity and fear. But is it truly a digital underworld, or is it simply misunderstood? Let's explore its real nature. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet, accessible only through specialized software like Tor. Contrary to popular belief, it's not solely about illegal activities. It also serves as a haven for whistleblowers, activists, and journalists seeking anonymity. The anonymity of the dark web is both its strength and weakness. While it protects privacy, it also shields criminal activities. Understanding this dual nature is crucial for anyone exploring these hidden spaces. There are safe educational spaces within the dark web, such as forums dedicated to privacy and cybersecurity. However, the line between safety and danger is razor thin. Awareness of your surroundings is essential to ensure a secure experience. If you decide to explore the dark web, take precautions. Use tools that enhance security and anonymity. It's not just about self-protection, but also understanding the environment. In the end, the dark web is a tool. Its impact depends on how it's used. Stay informed, stay safe,